Hi everyone, this is Shelly. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Funky LD Street Connector system. First, let's prepare the LD driver, LD wire, street to street connector, street to wire connector, LD strip, and scissors. You can cut the LD strip to the length you need. This is the one we prepared before. First, insert the wire to the connector first. Then insert LD strip to connectors. Please make sure the polarities are aligned on both sides. Second, let's cover the top cover to LD connector. We don't need to use pincers, just by our hands to press firmly. See this? It's done. Then we connect the wire to LD driver. So the strip is lighting. If you would like to change to another new LD strip, you can unlock this LD connector. So let's change to another LD strip. This time, please also make sure the polarities are the same as the previous one. Place it the top cover by your hands. So that's very simple. Thank you for watching.